Hello everyone, this is James Ayala, and this is my week 4 live training reflection video. So we made it to week 4, and this week was all about the titanium documentation, which could be found on the Accelerator website. And over here we have all of our modules, and you'll see a lot of the things that we are familiar with. In the UI section we have window, view, text field, which we just learned about this week, and a variety of a lot of other things that we've used, label. But one thing that was very surprising is learning about all the different properties and everything. For instance, from a designer's point of view, everything that you could do with things like a button where you could cast a shadow or have a gradient, things like that. So like the design world, it's really open for a lot of design features that I never would have thought for certain objects and such. Not to mention, this is an extravagant amount of information here. I mean, this is basically the keys to the kingdom. Anything that you could possibly do is all right here, like accessing something like the accelerometer and stuff like that, and geolocation. I mean, the possibilities are really endless right here. But yeah, all the properties, that is one thing that is I actually was using this last night and just trying to learn about all the different things that you could do with objects in titanium, and just really going through here. I mean, it's going to take weeks. I mean, 135 methods just for the button. It'll take weeks and even months of coding to start diving very deep into this. But this is a great place to go whenever you need help with something. Sometimes, let's see if they show here. Yeah, they'll give like a description on how to use it, an example, which is nice. And I noticed for getting into, they give you a simple example, but if you need if you're trying to do something complicated and you need an example of something that isn't listed here. One thing I did was whenever the titanium launches up, you have your home page or whatever it is, you could go to the community right from there. And the community for titanium, chances are if you have a problem, someone's asked it and it's been answered. I went there with, I forget what I was having a problem with, but yeah, I was able to find out someone had that same problem, and I ended up being able to fix that problem. So that combined with the documentation, you should be able to get answers for just about anything that you would want to know about titanium. I don't recommend viewing this on a cell phone though. Came here to this website at work, and you can't select these up here, your properties and methods. It just lists it all in one big list like this. So if you want to see the properties, you got to scroll all the way down to properties and scroll through all of them instead of just having this nice drop down right here. But yeah, I really enjoyed the class, and I will see you all for hopefully for the second one that we have here at Visual Frameworks. Thank you.